All right, hey, Calvin, what is that thing?
A circuit.
A circuit? What kind of circuit is that?
Some kind of inbuilt thing.
Oh my goodness! Let's get a close up of that. Whoa! Can we see the backside of it? My goodness! That thing's hardwired, isn't it? Do you remember who gave you that?
No.
It was Ducka. That was pretty nice of her, wasn't it? And it was pretty fun to put together, wasn't it? We got another circuit to put together, don't we? Can you change the resistor on there? The variable resistor?
What resistor? This?
Yeah. Show us how it goes with the variable resistor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you still filming?
Yeah, I'm still filming.
I
Okay, huh? We're documenting.
Mama.
We need to take the bath real fast. Okay. We're gonna take.
Whoa.
You got it.
That's pretty
We're gonna
cool,
take
Mr.
that.
Callow. Nicely done.